Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I just decided to do a bike check. So here we go. Starting off top, we got the S&M holder grips. They're pretty good. I've had them for a while. I just been getting pairs, so they're good grips. I recommend them. My bars, I got Stranger Haze bars, 10-inch rise, 28.5 wide. I've ridden 10-inch rise bars for the past, I'd say, 6 years now. My first pair was back in 2016, so I like it because I'm tall too. So my stem, I got a Flat Bikes Volcano stem. I've had the stem for like 3 years and it's still holding up to this day. Not even slipped once. Like, it held up good for drops, so I recommend this stem as well. My forks, I got brand new about 2 weeks ago. I got the Fiend Invest forks. They're pretty good. They're brand new. I'm gonna start practicing my nose manuals a lot more now. So my front wheel, I got a Demolition complete wheel with the Demolition rim, Demolition hub with some Mission hub guards. They're the cheapest hub guards I could find for the front. My pegs, they're Cinema Dakota Roche pegs, 4.75. My tire in the front, I got a Odyssey Pad Pro 2.4. And then for the frame, Colt D-Hart frame, 20.75. I've had it for like 2.5 years, so it's been holding up. I like the geometry on it, so it's pretty good. I like it. My seat, I got a BSD pivotal seat, some random seat post, Colt NWO 28 tooth sprocket, Primo Stevie Churchill cranks, 175. Primo turbo pedals. I've had these pedals ever since they first came out. Really good, really grippy, and it has a big platform too, so they're really good. My chain, I got a Shadow Supreme chain. I've had it for like 2.5 years, so I recommend this chain as well. It's so strong and it's on warranty. All right, now coming to the rear, the back hub is a Theory cassette hub. My rim is a Demolition rim. Another Odyssey Path Pro tire, 2.4. Shadow hub guards, non-drive side and drive side. I got another pair of Cinema Dakota Roche pegs in the back, 4.75. Oh, one more thing. I also got a Shadow integrated headset. So that's pretty much my bike. I've had it for like 2.5 years, this color. I never switched it up. It's always been black. Only a few times I've changed it, like the tires, grips, and I think it was the sprocket one time. But other than that, it's been this color. I've always ridden it black, but new bike build, somewhat of a new bike build coming soon. So be on the lookout for that. So I have some old clips that I got recently. So I'm gonna insert those clips right now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.